How to view email password in Outlook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So now viewing your email password in Outlook is not possible directly, but what you can do is first go to your Chrome browser or any preferred browser from which you use your Outlook, and then see if you have saved your passwords over there. Simply go to settings and then go to Google Password Manager. Now if you have added your Outlook password, it will appear over here. Since I do not have that, I only have my Amazon and Crunchyroll account saved here. But if you have saved your password of Outlook, you will also get it over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.